Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. Just wanted to show you my Mary Maxim Crochet Kit Club of the month for the month of May. Yes, it's a little late, but I've been busy and I haven't been feeling well, so I figured I'd try to record that for you guys today. Sorry, my darn good yarn video got cut short. I was just gonna say bye at that point anyway, so you're not missing much. So, I want to say welcome to my watchers and my subscribers. Thanks so much for being here. For those of you who are returning, thanks for returning and watching. Also, if you're new here, thanks for coming. And if you like my content, please remember to click like and subscribe. It's the join button below underneath this video. It's free to subscribe. Google handles all that stuff, and you can cancel at any time. Sorry. You can unsubscribe at any time too. What I was going to say was, you also clicking that button, you can join and be a member. And I have a video there explaining all of that, and YouTube handles all of that for you. And I wanted to say welcome to my members and thank you so much for your continued support, and welcome to my new members. And so yeah, so a friend of mine showed me what we got for May, and I hadn't gotten my order yet, so I decided to put it in and get it because it's a really nice. I think it's really nice. So the kit itself for this month, it comes actually with two patterns, which I really like that change that they did, because yeah, that's cute hat. The yarn is Lion Brand Comfy Cotton Blend, which I love that yarn, and I'm very sad that it's discontinued. Because I've made some things with it and I really like how it feels. And they also, so that's the pattern, sorry, like all over the place. And then they also included a second pattern, which was for this wrap. And the numbers there on the top mean just, it's the 2025 May, which is the 05 crochet. The CR is for crochet for the Crochet Club kit, and that's a 47 by 21 inch shawl. And the hat is one size fits most. It would have been nice if they included another, cake of yarn, but I understand it's discontinued yarn, and I know some people have an issue with discontinued yarn too being used. But personally, I really, really like this yarn, and it's harder to find. I know I have some still in different colorways, but yeah. And that's a closer view of the shawl pattern. I may make that one, or there might be another one that I make with it. I'm not sure exactly how that looks there on the top. So what was really nice this month, yay, thank you Mary Maxim, was they included this beautiful yarn bowl. It's by Hobby and Crafts, Pennsylvania. It's really pretty, so I feel like they're kind of making up for it. So that was definitely worth the value. It says it's a 6x4. Definitely makes the value up of the kit club. And the price currently, I think there's a discount when you sign up for the first month, and then it goes to the regular price of it. Currently, I'm paying $18.99. I think that's what it's currently at anyways on their website, but always double check because, you may be watching this video way in the future, and that might not be the price of the subscription club kit anymore. And it's $4.99 for shipping in the US for me, so it comes out to a total of $25.77. So it came very nicely wrapped. It has this really cool bag that I could use. It reminds me of the nice velvet bag that Crown Royal bottles come in, the whiskey. But anyways, you see, I'm still sick. My voice is still sort of gone. I'm running out of voice. I gotta finish this pretty soon. So this is the nice pretty bag. It even has padding on the bottom. This is the beautiful yarn bowl. Isn't that pretty? And it has some weight to it too, which is nice. And I kind of wanted one because I needed to put the yarn in for when I am weaving, when I go to set up my warp. So that'll be good. It won't be just right on the floor. The inside is really nice too. Oops, nice and smooth. And then also included in here was a little clipper. One of those little clippers. And then this very cool little wooden ruler that you can also use to check your knitting needle sizes. And I guess they have a please review. This is the company that it's by Fashion Knit. That's the company that made this yarn bowl, in case you want one. And then on to the yarn now. So like I mentioned, it's Lion Brand's Comfy Cotton Blend. It's a cotton acrylic blend yarn. It's really nice and squishy. They always say it's a number 3 lightweight yarn was their classification, but honestly, I think it's like a thin 4. And when it works up, it kind of works up as a 4. It's 7 ounces or 200 grams. It's 392 yards in a cake or 358 meters. Machine washable and dryable. Again, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. They don't have many patterns on their website when I went to check to look to see. The colorway is Kai Latte, and this is made in China. Again, they classify it as a number 3 weight yarn. They recommend a 4.5 millimeter or US 7 size knitting needles or a J10 6 millimeter crochet hook. And that's all the blurb that I read to you guys. And it's also still not focusing. Sorry about that. I had the issues with the other video too. There we go. And that's pretty. It's like a creamy color with pinks and 2 tones of gray in there mixed in. Like a light gray and a darker gray. So it actually looks like what is used in the pattern. So, okay folks, that's everything that I got that I wanted to show you guys. This one's nice and short and sweet. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day, night, week. Take care. Thanks. Bye.